West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee is in the eye of a storm. Mamata Banerjee is being slammed by the BJP for an alleged communal vote appeal. Listen in to Mamata Banerjee as the West Bengal Chief Minister asks Muslim voters if they've forgotten about Gujarat riots and Delhi riots. The BJP is saying that this is a blatantly communal vote appeal. Mamata Banerjee's minority outreach has sparked off a massive controversy. Mamata Banerjee asked Muslims if they'd forgotten the Gujarat riots and the Delhi riots. She also went on to say that Muslims will be driven out using the NRC. The BJP says this is a blatantly communal vote appeal. Let's listen in to Mamata Banerjee. I'll get you more on this big story.
দাঙ্গায় কত লোক খুন করেছে কি সংখ্যালঘু ভাই বোনেরা ভুলে গেছেন দিল্লির দাঙ্গা ভুলে গেছেন নরেন্দ্র মোদির গুজরাটের দাঙ্গা ভুলে গেছেন হদল কুতকুতের গুজরাটের দাঙ্গা ভুলে গেছেন উত্তরপ্রদেশের দাঙ্গা ভুলে গেছেন এনআরসির দাঙ্গা ভুলেছেন এনপিআর এর দাঙ্গা এমন করে খেলতে হবে যে বিজেপিকে বোল্ড আউট করে মাঠের বাইরে বের করে দিতে হবে
I want to quickly bring in India Today's Poulomi Saha for more on this big story. Bring us details, context and where Mamata Banerjee was speaking. Who was she asking if they've forgotten the Gujarat riots, the NRC riots, the UP riots and the Delhi riots? Poulomi.
Right. This is actually the second such instance which has come to light. Yesterday itself, Gaurav, the BJP went to the Chief Electoral Officer again complaining to the CEO that Mamata Banerjee was making appeals for votes on communal lines. It is a complaint which has been filed by the BJP yesterday itself, and a second such instance has now come to light where she was, of course, addressing a predominantly minority-dominated vote bank and constituency that she was, in fact, addressing a public meeting at where she said, have you forgotten the Delhi riots? Have you forgotten the Gujarat riots? If you do not want to meet that fate and do not want to be driven out over NRC, then you should know how to not fall in line and how not to sort of stand divided. She, in fact, also went on to say that there are those that the opponents are using who are from your own community in order to, in fact, divide us. And that is what Mamata Banerjee has been telling the minority vote bank. She specifically was addressing them itself as she was speaking. So, like I said, Gaurav, the second such instance, and the BJP, of course, is saying that this is completely against the lines on which, the election rules are set, where you cannot make vote appeals on the basis of communal lines. And this is another instance now coming to light of Mamata Banerjee directly speaking to the minority population and instilling fear, allegedly, in them, saying that, your fate will hang in the balance if you do not vote en masse as a bloc for the Trinamool Congress.
Is this fear-mongering? Poulomi, stay with me. Let's listen into Mamata Banerjee once again. Mamata Banerjee at an election campaign. The first phase, of course, of polling is tomorrow. Mamata Banerjee is campaigning extensively. 8-phase elections, 2nd of May, when we have results. But let's listen in to Mamata Banerjee once again. Poulomi Saha stays with me on this big story.
দাঙ্গায় কত লোক খুন করেছে কি সংখ্যালঘু ভাই বোনেরা ভুলে গেছেন দিল্লির দাঙ্গা ভুলে গেছেন নরেন্দ্র মোদির গুজরাটের দাঙ্গা ভুলে গেছেন হদল কুতকুতের গুজরাটের দাঙ্গা ভুলে গেছেন উত্তরপ্রদেশের দাঙ্গা ভুলে গেছেন এনআরসির দাঙ্গা ভুলেছেন এনপিআর এর দাঙ্গা এমন করে খেলতে হবে যে বিজেপিকে বোল্ড আউট করে মাঠের বাইরে বের করে দিতে হবে
Poulomi, would there be a pattern that could be drawn into statements, this statement and statements like these? Yesterday, there was a TMC functionary, of course, TMC distancing itself from Sheikh Alam, who said if 30% come together, they can make 4 Pakistans. Is there a shift in the manner in which campaigning is happening as far as the Trinamool Congress is concerned? And is there merit in some analysts saying that because of Abbas Siddiqui, there is some apprehension about votes being divided?
Right. This is a charge, of course. The TMC has been leveling against the BJP. The BJP has been polarizing the electoral battlefield ahead of the elections. But like I said, this is the second such instance. Yesterday, when the BJP went to the chief electoral officer, they complained about a statement where she basically said, they wear the tilak, they wear saffron clothes, and they come here to destroy our culture. Again, saying that this is incitement, this is polarizing the electorate, this is trying to create hatred on religious lines, and this is extremely provocative in nature. This is what the BJP's complaint was. The BJP, of course, is saying that this is fear-mongering which is happening, and as you said, yes, some experts are saying that there possibly is an apprehension within the Trinamool Congress that the 30% minority bloc of the electorate in West Bengal is possibly divided because of Abbas Siddiqui and the Indian Secular Front lending support to the Congress Left Combine, which is splitting the 30% vote bank. And that is why there is possibly an appeal which is being made directly to this vote bank. But then, of course, the allegation that this is incitement and this is trying to provoke people on the basis of religious lines, and hence it is extremely objectionable.
For the moment, Paulami Saha, many thanks for joining me.